If your mic sounds like you're in a bathroom, you're missing out. If you want studio vibes, you need this trick. If you're a creator, listen up. Here's the secret. Most creators overlook the power of a noise gate and EQ preset. That flat, echoey sound, it's just raw audio. But with a quick tweak, crank on that noise gate, dial in a broadcast EQ, you cut out background noise, boost your voice, and suddenly you sound like a radio host. Bonus tip, get your mic off the desk and onto a boom arm to kill even more vibrations. Don't settle for amateur audio. 1 minute, one tweak, pro sound instantly. Try it and drop a comment if you hear the difference.